Hi everyone, this is Kristen, and if you're looking for an easy to install tempered glass screen protector for your iPhone XR, which protects your eyes as well as your screen, you might want to check out the ZAGG Glass Plus Vision Guard. So this screen protector is going to give you 3x shadow protection while blocking blue light to protect your eyes, and it comes with a really fantastic installer. In this review, I'm going to show you how easy it is to install this on your iPhone and look at the features a little bit more closely. Let's get started. Feature-wise, the Glass Plus Vision Guard has eye safe protection, which is going to protect you from digital eye strain, which can cause dry, irritated eyes, sleep disruption, and blurred vision. It also preserves the true colors of your screen as it is blocking blue light. Also, being a ZAGG screen protector, it's going to provide impact and scratch protection for your screen, has precision touch sensitivity and HD clarity, and is smudge resistant and has a great applicator. Finally, this is covered by ZAGG's limited lifetime warranty, where you can request a replacement. If you break your screen protector, of course, a shipping and handling fee does apply. Looking at the contents of the box, we have the Easy Apply tray. This is the installer that I think so much of. It really, in my experience before, has made it extremely easy to get the screen protector aligned correctly, which of course is crucial to a successful install. We have a wet wipe to clean your screen, microfiber cloth to dry it, dust removal sticker to remove dust, and we have the screen protector itself. Quite a full-featured install package. Starting off with a clean screen is key to a successful install, so use the included wet wipe and microfiber cloth to clean your phone and make sure it's completely dust-free. Once you've cleaned your phone with a wet wipe and microfiber cloth, use the dust removal sticker to remove any remaining bits of dust. Next, you want to position the Easy Apply tray over the phone. It just snaps right on into place. The screen protector itself is protected by a hard back, so you're going to need to peel the hard white back thing off first. And then once you've done that, be sure to use these tabs on the edges or the very edges of the screen protector in order to avoid touching the adhesive side of the screen protector. Once you have removed the backing, you might want to check your screen one more time to make sure that no dust has landed on the screen in the meantime. And if it has, then remove it with the dust removal sticker. Next, take the screen protector, holding on by these little tabs here on the edges or the edge of the screen protector itself, and then gently lay it down within the confines of the installer. Make sure that the notch here is on the top and not the bottom. Align it carefully and then lay it down. Press to remove any remaining bubbles, and then you can peel up the top layer of plastic. As you can see, we have essentially a perfect install on here in terms of alignment as a result of the Easy Apply tray. I love that installer. It makes it so easy to get perfect results, and it's actually very, very easy to use as well. As you can see, in terms of the rest of the install, we have no haloing, no white line along the edges, no bubbling. Everything went on basically perfectly. Once I got the screen protector on there, I was a little worried because I saw two small bubbles, but they were actually in between the outer plastic layer and the screen protector rather than between the screen protector and the screen. So once I took off that outer layer, they went away, so everything just went perfectly. In terms of the screen protector itself, I think it is excellent. It has a lovely feel underneath the fingertips. Oleophobic coating seems great. Optical clarity, I think, is flawless. The screen protector itself, if you noticed, was very slightly blue before you put it on, but once on, I don't notice that it affects the color of the screen. Everything looks and feels great. Seems to be just as bright as it otherwise would be, so that is excellent. No issues with responsiveness. There's no problem with haptic touch. So overall, everything is just great. As far as the claims about helping your eyes, I have no way to evaluate them, but I figure, hey, it can't hurt. And when you think of the number of hours a day you stare at your iPhone screen, if blue light is indeed a hazard, it is a good thing to be protected from it. So overall, I think that this is just a great product by ZAGG for iPhone XR. Again, we've been looking at the ZAGG Glass Plus Vision Guard for iPhone XR. This product is available directly from ZAGG as well as from many other retailers, and it has an MSRP of $44.99. Many thanks to the kind folks at ZAGG for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions about this product, please feel free to put them in the comments below and I will do my best to address them. And if you are interested in subscribing to my channel, please do consider it because I have lots more great accessory reviews yet to come. Again, this is Kristen with the ZAGG Glass Plus Vision Guard for iPhone XR. Enjoy your iPhone and have a wonderful day.